At United Automation, we power efficiency across industries with precision-engineered control systems, proudly made in Britain. In busy kitchens and food service, our catering controllers and kitchen safety interlock system deliver consistent heat-cutting waste, saving energy, and keeping operations safe. From factory floors to control rooms, our Thyristor controllers and AC voltage regulators ensure smooth, reliable performance, keeping your processes running without interruption. And for cafes, terraces, and outdoor venues, we offer energy-efficient infrared heating, built for comfort and control. Need something unique? Our engineers design bespoke power control solutions, tailored exactly to your business needs. Discover the full range at united-automation.com. Power, precision, performance from United Automation.